my cousin. This is so hard. We'll go to Palawan. Airplane. This is fun. We're at 31 feet, 31,000 feet. 32,000. Today is my cousin Jermaine's first time. Let's go, bro. Vlog life. Is it your first time?
Yes.
Yeah, first time. Guys, on my camera, I got my camera on my bag. Let's go. Look at that pink camera. Oh, it's gonna. Oh boy. Oh, that one has a. Let me see. Let me see. Oh. There's. I guess you cannot hear me. That's awesome. Welcome to Palawan, and this is Palawan Trip 1. Enjoy the film. Going to travel. Later, I'm going to go for more footage. Yeah. So basically, it's Jermaine cousin's first time flying in the airplane. Yeah. Long sleeve. Nice.
So cold.
Long sleeve. Oh my! I left my hoodie in my bag. I left it out of my sleeve.
So cold. It's not that cold.
Seatbelts. They got your seatbelts. They took off your shoe. People got Converse. That's freaking awesome. It's like that awesome. And I just started the vlog right now. We just took off 15 minutes ago, I guess. But we have a 1 hour and 57-minute flight to Palau.
Brentford College, Brentford Aircraft and College.
all.
or from Domino and Saba via Metro Vicenta for 600 pesos and 300 pesos respectively. These will be announced to this ride from Metro Vicenta Airport to Coron Terminal or Saba Port and vice
This is
versa.
sick.
For
Look,
information,
I got a table.
we're
We're at the first row, baby. First row.
The Pacific is about to be the southeast launch partner of the Defense It is a conversation airline company. This will support defense first capacity program, which ensures the health and efficient of Filipino legislators.
Oh,
For
wow, let's
clarification,
go.
you can check this out
I'm not good.
on the website onepassagedays.usm.ph.
Oh no. Oh no. You're shocked.
And now we would like to invite you to let the help hand of the corporate leaders as now passage
Alright, the table is gone.
There is a nation of other
Let that
leaders
take off.
about the change values. Some reach
One more table.
from your heart. And ready to put the sensors, the messages are secure.
They got
We will now be sitting the use of all maps around the city at the ating kami for popular donation to support it. Just visit one side of us based on exam and